Tell me if this sounds like you. You say you're gonna do something, you do it for a while, and then you stop. You say you're gonna do something else, you do that for a while, and again you stop. This is a problem. Your lack of consistency, it's gonna cost you your goals. Ask any successful person, they'll tell you consistency is the most important thing to getting what you want in life. Fortunately, I'm here today to fix that problem for you. I've been consistently posting YouTube videos for over 1.5 years. I've been working on my business for months, all while working a full-time job. By the end of this video, you'll have principles and techniques to basically make consistency automatic. Number 1, set ambitious goals and tell people. Let me show you something. Some guy literally thought this was AI generated. It's not. I don't know if you can see it. It is basically a photo of me at my graduation when we were, taking the photos, committing to getting 100,000 subscribers by 2026, somewhere in the year 2026. It's the 18th of November 2025 right now. We're sitting at just over 800, so it's probably not gonna happen. But this was taken over a year ago, and I can tell you confidently that setting that ambitious goal and literally sharing it on social media and framing it on my wall, it dramatically increased the amount of effort I've put into this. Because what happens if I literally commit to that, tell people about it, and then a month later, I'm a ghost. I'm just gone from YouTube. Even 6 months later or a year, I don't want to look stupid. If I don't reach 100,000 subscribers, I still want to have given it my 100%. Look, most people aren't consistent because their goals are small and nothing bad happens if they don't follow through on them. I mean, really think about it. Think about your own goal. What happens if you don't work on it tomorrow? Nothing. And that's the problem. That's one of the reasons you're not consistent. Ambitious goals, they force consistency because if you don't work on it tomorrow, you're gonna fall behind. And then telling people about it, posting it on social media, whatever you have to do, it keeps you accountable. You don't want to look stupid, so you're gonna stay consistent. Here's a good example. I'm currently working with a weight loss client, helping him lose weight, and we're meeting once a week online. He's got an ambitious goal. He's aiming for like 3 or 4 pounds a week. Now, I've asked him to log his weight on a document, a shared document every single day, and we also meet on Mondays. He has to report back on his week if he made progress, any slip-ups he had. The goal is ambitious and there's accountability. I'm convinced he's gonna be consistent for the next however many months it takes to lose his weight. Number 2, don't stick to goals, stick to systems. So we often say working on a goal. I probably said it in the last point, I don't remember, but we say like working on this goal. That's not possible. You can't work on a goal, you can't do a goal. The systems put in place to reach that goal are what you're actually doing. So here's what I mean. If you've got a goal of making 10K a month from any business, that's the goal. The systems is the concrete actions and habits that you're going to do on a daily basis to progress towards that goal. So every day, reach out to this many clients. Every single week, do this many sales calls. And then everything related to those 2 actions, that's your system. When you ignore systems, right, you just set a random goal and that's all you have in mind. You work when you feel like it, or you use like discipline and just force yourself to work, which is not sustainable. Compare that to creating solid systems that you've predetermined would make you progress toward your goals, and now all you have to do is just every day wake up and follow a certain system. This will lead to so much more consistency. Here's an example. Let's say you want to build a muscle building IG page. Without a system, you're just focused on the goal of building the IG page, and then every day you wake up and say, okay, what could I do today? Shit, do I feel like recording? Do I have time to do the editing? Or do you force yourself to do it? Discipline, anyway, it's a shit show. And then you just fall off your goal, you're not consistent. Compare that to building a solid system where you record on Mondays, you edit on Wednesday, and then you script on Friday. You know exactly what to do every day. It's a system, you just have to follow it. Much more easy to be consistent. The first link in the description is a link to my free community where you can get literally a one-on-one free productivity coaching call. You also get access to a full productivity course, and you can also speak to like-minded people. So go ahead, it's a no-brainer. Click the link and join us. Point number 3, change your strategy, not your goal. So how many times have you set a goal, started working on it, and then after a few weeks, it's harder than you thought, you don't like it, whatever, and you just quit the goal? So you had the goal of building a personal brand, you started on TikTok, you did that for a few weeks, it didn't work out. So now you quit your goal of building a personal brand. Interesting. Don't quit the goal, quit the strategy or change the strategy. So instead of using TikTok, use YouTube, use LinkedIn. That way you stay consistent on your goal, you just change the strategy. So I've had the goal of growing on YouTube for literally years, okay? And throughout that time, I've tried different niches, different styles of videos, following a script, going off my head, editing, no editing, all that stuff. Initially, my first video was about fitness. That was my strategy to building a profitable YouTube channel. It didn't work out. Instead of just saying, okay, you know what, YouTube is not for me. I changed niches, and then that didn't work out, and I changed again and again and again and again. I keep changing my strategy, but I've been consistent on the goal this whole time. So please, the next time you feel like quitting whatever goal you have, just look at the strategy you're using to reaching that goal and figure out if you could use a different one. That'll keep you consistent. Point number 4, leave no alternative. Here's the thing, you've got an ambitious goal, right? You probably do if you're watching this, and it's gonna be tough, right? There's gonna be a lot of challenges between where you are and your desired outcome. If you leave yourself an open door, right, and a plan B, a way out, you're gonna take it the second it gets tough. And at that point, goodbye to consistency. Here's a good example. You want to start making money online. So, right, you've chosen your vehicle, you've chosen your business, you start working on it, but you keep your gaming PC, which you were addicted to for like 3 years. What happens when the business is not as fun as your video game, not as fulfilling, the progress is not as quick? You're gonna hop back on the gaming PC because that option is still there. Your brain is gonna choose that over your boring, difficult business. Closing that door, leaving no alternative, would mean just selling it. Sell your gaming PC, so now the only choice you have is either to work on your business or, I don't know, scroll on your phone. Much more likely to stay consistent. Another example, recently I bought a YouTube growth coaching program. Do you think I'm gonna quit YouTube in a month? I paid a lot of money for this, okay? I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to be consistent for at least the next year, because now the option of stopping at this point is just, it's not there. There is no alternative. It's YouTube all the way for at least the next year. So think about your goal right now and just do it with me. Decide right now that there is no plan B. You're going all in no matter what for at least a few months. That's it. You burn the ships. Beyond just committing in your head, if you can actually pay someone to somehow lock you in. If you have a fitness goal, you hire a personal trainer. If you've got a business goal, you hire a coach. You sell your gaming PC. You buy a fucking flip phone if you're addicted to your phone. You leave no alternative. I know it's scary, but this needs to happen to unlock true consistency. Again, click the first link in the description for a free one-on-one coaching call. Subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 before the end of the year. Help me get there. And click on this video if you feel like the reason you're not consistent is because of a lack of time to work on your goals. Click right here.